Wait. One of the funniest videos ever is coming from my little cousin. So y'all better hit that big thumbs up. You better smash it. It take 1 second, 2 seconds. Because you have to hit the smash, you have to hit the thumbs up, and you have to subscribe. So let's get to it. Go, Carrie. Go. She smushed her stomach and stuffed her face and crashed and twinkled her neck. Carrie, come here.
What?
And then here's one of the funniest videos for me. The funny video for me. Record me. You see me?
Yep.
Record me.
Okay. You want me to press the thing right here?
No, don't touch nothing. Uh-oh.
That's Jada. She know that she's stupid.
That is the funny videos. Okay, Carrie, do your other funny video. Here she go. Hit your stomach, remember? Wow, what was that? I'm about to try what she just did. Come here, Carrie.
Okay. Okay.
She flipped over her whole head and bit her neck. Here we go. I broke my leg. Oh no. Okay, subscribe, hit that bell, and you should have already smashed that thumbs up button. Oh my gosh. How disgusting. We're going to need a air freshener. I can't breathe. Bye, guys.